picture this. You're cruising down the highway, the city lights fading behind you, the open road stretching ahead. But this isn't just any road trip. You're in something out of a sci-fi dream, a three-wheeled marvel blending the freedom of a motorcycle, the comfort of an RV, and the futuristic tech of tomorrow. Welcome to the future of travel. The 2026 Futuristic Camper Tricycle RV isn't just another vehicle. It's a revolution on wheels. Imagine a sleek, aerodynamic body that looks like it belongs in a cyberpunk movie. Its carbon fiber chassis makes it lightweight, yet incredibly strong, allowing it to glide effortlessly on highways, mountain roads, and even rugged terrains. The single front wheel and two rear wheels provide perfect stability, while the adaptive suspension system ensures a smooth ride no matter where adventure takes you. And then there's the power. Underneath its futuristic shell, this machine is all electric, powered by an advanced lithium-sulfur battery that delivers an astonishing 600-mile range on a single charge. Need more? Solar panels integrated into the roof provide a constant trickle of energy, ensuring you're never truly out of juice. And if that's not enough, a hydrogen fuel cell backup kicks in when you need it most. Say goodbye to range anxiety. This beast is built for endless journeys. Step inside and you'll be blown away. The doors slide open with a whisper, revealing an interior that feels like stepping into a high-tech pod designed by the finest space engineers. The cockpit is fully digital with an AI-powered assistant that responds to voice commands, gesture controls, and even facial recognition. Need to find the best camping spot nearby? Just ask. Want to adjust the lighting, temperature, or entertainment? A simple wave of your hand does the trick. But let's talk about what makes this tricycle RV truly special: the living space. Despite its compact size, the engineers have mastered space optimization. During the day, the interior feels like a cozy lounge, complete with a minimalist couch, a fold-out table, and a panoramic smart glass window that can switch from clear to tinted at the tap of a button. At night, the couch transforms into a comfortable bed thanks to innovative shape memory foam that adjusts to your body. Sleep under the stars with a retractable roof panel which lets you gaze up at the night sky without ever leaving the comfort of your futuristic pod. Of course, an RV wouldn't be complete without a kitchen and a bathroom, right? Well, this camper trike takes efficiency to the next level. The kitchen module slides out from a hidden compartment, revealing an induction cooktop, a compact fridge, and a smart water dispenser that filters and purifies water on the go. And the bathroom? A fold-out eco-friendly design that uses nanofiltration to recycle water, ensuring that every drop is used efficiently. Plus the self-cleaning toilet? Yep, it exists. What about entertainment? This ride isn't just about getting from point A to B, it's about the journey. A built-in 5G connection ensures you're always online, while the immersive surround sound system, combined with holographic projections, turns your camper into a mini home theater. Whether you're watching a movie, gaming, or just relaxing to your favorite tunes, the experience is unparalleled. Safety is of course a priority. Autonomous driving capabilities allow the camper tricycle to assist in navigation, adapt to road conditions, and even detect potential hazards before they happen. It's equipped with advanced LiDAR sensors and AI-driven predictive analytics, making it one of the safest vehicles on the road. And for those who prefer manual control, the intuitive handlebars and responsive controls make riding this beast feel like second nature. Now, let's talk about one of the coolest features, its modularity. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a customizable travel companion. Need extra cargo space? Attachable pods can expand storage. Traveling with a friend? A secondary passenger module clicks into place seamlessly. Want an outdoor setup? Deployable solar awnings and fold-out chairs create the perfect camping space wherever you stop. It's designed to adapt to every traveler's needs. And then there's the sustainability factor. This isn't just about high-tech luxury. It's about reducing the carbon footprint.